Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this serum from the brand Plum, and this is their rice water and niacinamide 10% serum. In today's video I'm going to review this serum. I'm going to talk about how this serum worked on my skin, whether it's worth a try or not, and yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. So there are two sizes available in this serum and I picked up the smaller size, and this is priced for 450 rupees and the quantity you're getting is 15 ml. Talk about the packaging first. So it comes in a cardboard packaging like this with white and blue combination, and all the details about the product is printed on the box. So the serum comes in a glass transparent bottle like this with a pump dispenser. Before getting into the review of the serum, let me just talk what the brand claims about this product. So this brand Plum says it has no synthetic fragrances and essential oils added to the formulation, and this brand is toxic free, cruelty free, and so it also has no parabens, and it is fragrance free, and yeah, it says it's suitable for all skin type, and it's non-comedogenic, and it says bye bye blemish. This clever concoction of niacinamide, rice ferment, licorice and squalane is designed to target spots, boost skin barrier health, soothes acne and protect against sun damage. And the rice ferment extract used in this formula is sourced from Japan and is derived using an exclusive Japanese technique. So this is what the brand talks about the product, and now let's get started with my review. So first I'll talk about the texture. The texture, it's not that thick, it's runny, but it is little thicker than the normal serum, and the color is beautiful white. And so this is how it looks like. The color of the serum is pure white, and it gets absorbed in the skin within a minute or two. You can see I like to use serums at night time. I've been using this at night time only. It just gets absorbed in the skin. It doesn't make your skin look greasy or oily after the application, which means that all skin types, even oily skin people, will like this serum. And so we all know niacinamide is really good for the skin. It boosts the skin. It improves the texture of the skin, and it is good for all skin types. So I've been using this serum for more than a month now, and I am using it almost daily at night time, and I have not seen any kind of major difference with my blemishes. I think this serum has only worked in terms of hydrating my skin. So I could only feel that this serum has made my skin more supple and more softer, and it has brightened my skin as well. And because this has rice water, and rice water works as a brightening agent, so I think it has somehow helped me in brightening my skin, because my skin was little, because of the blemishes on my skin, and I was traveling, so I got a lot of tan on my skin. So when I started using this, it has actually brightened my skin a little bit, and the serum has not done anything major to my skin. I still have lot of blemishes on my skin, and I could only feel like it has worked good in terms of hydrating my skin well. This serum is pretty gentle on the skin. I have not felt any irritation or any kind of reaction on my skin, or I didn't get any pimples after using this serum. So overall I feel this serum is good in terms of hydration purpose. I just feel my skin is little softer after the application, and my skin looks little hydrated, and it doesn't look dehydrated like before. I've been using this for a month. I didn't feel any kind of irritation or anything like that. It's pretty gentle on the skin, and I really like how it made my skin softer and supple. My skin looked a little brighter than before, and so overall a decent face serum, but I will definitely not recommend if you're looking something for fading your blemishes on your skin or something, because this has not helped me at all. So I will definitely not recommend if you want something which will fade your blemishes. Just good for a hydration purpose, because it has 10% niacinamide, which is really good, and it will take care of your skin, and it will hydrate your skin well, it will moisturize your skin well. Apart from that, I have not seen any major difference with my skin after using this more than a month. If you're looking for a good niacinamide serum, I'll definitely recommend this niacinamide. It's really good. It's pretty gentle on the skin. It doesn't make the skin oily or greasy, so you can apply this serum in the daytime as well. This was a review of Plum rice water and niacinamide 10% serum. So I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And also guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.